Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening the project root and creating index. HTML, this is the single entry the server and browser expect. Explain why. It standardizes navigation and base URLs. Once done, add doctype HTML, HTML, and a minimal head with meta charset and a meaningful title. Then link your style sheet and main script so page styles and behavior load immediately. Make sure the file names match the file system. Small typos break the load path and cause invisible errors. Now you structure the page so users and search engines understand it. Build a semantic skeleton using header, main, and footer. This improves accessibility and SEO. Once these are in place, add a nav element with relative links such as about, HTML, or hash sections so paths stay portable. Populate main with clear headings and placeholder paragraphs. Use area labels where necessary to describe regions. Make sure to validate with a quick HTML validator to catch mismatched tags that finish by testing and deploying. Open index. HTML locally across browsers and devices to confirm consistent rendering. Look at the console for script errors and the network tab for missing resources. 404s mean broken links or wrong paths. Once satisfied, deploy the file to the server root or publish directory so it serves as the default. If the page doesn't load, troubleshoot the common cause: incorrect file path, wrong casing, or server not configured to use index. HTML, fix those and reload.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.